Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is PeoplePerHour payment failed 2026. If a payment fails on PeoplePerHour, there can be several common reasons. Insufficient funds. Your card or account does not have enough balance to complete the transaction. Incorrect payment details. Wrong card number, expiry date, CVV, or billing address can cause failure. Bank restrictions. Your bank may block international or online payments for security reasons. Expired or inactive card. An expired or inactive card will not be accepted. Payment gateway issues. Temporary issues with the payment processor can interrupt the transaction. Security or fraud checks. Unusual activity may be flagged and automatically declined. Currency or region limitations. Some payment methods may not work depending on your location. If the issue continues, verify your payment details, try another payment method, or contact PeoplePerHour support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.